Hi everyone, this is Georgia with Georgia's Crafty Creations. It's been a while since I did a video, but I'm ready to get back in the game and start showing you some different techniques I've been playing with. I'm going to show you in the next couple weeks how to take a photo that you took yourself for a unique background and this stamp set from Pheasants from Stampin' Up to where you can make this beautiful card. You can create your own unique backgrounds with photos you take. Like if you ever taken a beautiful photo at the beach, you could turn it into a card with the stamp set using a lighthouse or any nautical themed ships. But we're going to do that in the next couple weeks. Just giving you a sneak peek. This is the card we will be making. And also from a photo that you take, which will give you a very unique background. So, I will be seeing you in the next couple weeks. Take care. Happy crafting, everybody. Bye now.